Wait until you hear this. 3 young men refused to bow to a king's golden statue and were thrown into a blazing fire, but they came out untouched. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were loyal to God. When King Nebuchadnezzar demanded everyone worship a golden image, they refused. Furious, the king had them tied up and thrown into a furnace heated 7 times hotter than usual. But when the king looked inside, he saw 4 men walking freely. The 4th looked like a son of the gods. God had sent his angel to protect them. They came out of the fire without even the smell of smoke. Moral lesson: when you stand firm in your faith, God will stand with you, even in the fire. Love this miracle? Follow, like, and subscribe for more powerful stories of courage and divine rescue.